This ant made one mistake, and it lost everything. Scientists followed it with a camera. This is what being lost really looks like. It started like any other journey, moving with purpose, following a trail laid down by others. Every step guided, every turn certain. But then something changed. The signal began to fade. It slowed, hesitated, then turned. It couldn't find the trail. No signals, no direction, no way back. The ground, once familiar, now felt endless. For the first time, it was alone. It searched again and again, turning in circles, hoping to find something, anything. Because out here, being lost means everything is against you. And then it sensed something.